In Bulacan, 11 people, including the controversial flood control royalty Curly and Sara Diskaya, as well as several DPWH officials, face criminal charges before the Malolos Regional Trial Court. Micah Razon is on the phone for more. Go ahead, Micah.
Man filed a non-bailable malversation case before the Malolos Regional Trial Court against 11 accused, including the Diskaya couple and 8 DPWH officials. Present during the filing were DPWH Secretary Vince Dizon and Assistant Ombudsman Nico Clavano. The case stems from the alleged misuse of public funds involving a flood control project in Bulusan, Kalumpit, Bulacan, worth nearly 54 million pesos. According to Dizon, the project failed and was substandard. He said he personally inspected the site and assured the public that the government will not only pursue the case, but will also repair the project to help address flooding in the area. Dizon believes the Diskaya couple are the big fish in an alleged flood control syndicate operating in the country. He is confident that the Diskayas and other politicians allegedly linked to the operation will be convicted, citing what he described as strong evidence gathered by the government. This is the first criminal case filed against Curly Diskaya. Dizon said that once an arrest warrant is issued, Diskaya will be taken into custody from the Senate, where he is currently detained and will be brought before the court. Meanwhile, his wife, Sara Diskaya, remains detained in Cebu in connection with a separate case. Dizon also hinted at more cases that may soon be filed by the Office of the Ombudsman against high-ranking government officials. Back to you, Mai.
Micah, sino-sino ang mga kasamang DPWH officials na nakasuhan?
The DPWH officials na nakasuhan ay sila Merge Jaron Caparas, ang project engineer, si Bryce Erickson Diaz Hernandez, ang district engineer, JP De Leon Mendoza, Ernesto Cosoy Galang, Norberto De Leon Santos, Lorenzo Alcoriza Pangtalunan, Juanito Coronel Mendoza at si Floradine Yutuk Timbulan.
Michael, bakit daw natagalan yung kay Curly Diskaya kaysa kay Sara Diskaya?
According to Secretary Dizon kanina, sabi niya, kinailangan daw talaga na mag-gather nila yung iba pang evidences laban kay Curly. Kaya mas naunang nagkaroon ng kaso yung asawa niyang si Sara dahil kailangan daw ay maayos ang lahat at malakas ang ebidensya.
Thank you, Micah Razon reporting.